Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Kan. Good evening, Kan. How are you today?
I'm good.
Very good. So, have you eaten your dinner? Are you full now, Kan?
I eat I eat spaghetti.
Spaghetti. So, I guess that spaghetti is from Jollibee. Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. So, did you know that spaghetti Jollibee is originated or it came from here in our country, Philippines? Okay, so yeah, so Jollibee is so yummy, right? Can
Yeah.
so delicious. Okay, so Can, since you are full, your tummy is full and I believe you are also full of wisdom and energy to participate teachers activity. Okay,
Yeah.
all right, so listen to teacher and eyes on teacher Jennifer. All right, Ken.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so now let's start with our class. So we are now in unit 5 and 6, and before that we will have to answer this big question, Kan. So, can you read the big question, Kan?
Where do animals live?
Okay, so before we will gonna answer that big question, Kan, we will gonna watch a video. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So, eyes on the video. Okay. So, shall we watch again or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we are done watching the video, Kan. So we will gonna proceed to the activity letter B. Okay, so later we will gonna answer the big question. Okay, so before that, we will gonna answer first the activity letter B. Okay, now can you look at the picture here? Look, Hannah. Can. What do you see, Can?
Can see I can see a bird.
Bird. Okay. So what else?
Uh, mm,
What else? What is the color of the bird, Can?
um, mm, mm,
What else? You see also a yellow bird. Okay, what else, Can? How about this one? Do you know this one, Can?
is um, mm,
It's a
mm, is
bird's nest. So, okay. So, with that, Can, where do you think it is? So, where the bird lives.
the bird live mm, in the in the in the tree.
Yes, in the tree. And also in the,
In the
this
mm,
one,
um, um,
in the mm, nest. Okay, so where the bird lives, Can, in the
in the nest.
nest. Very good. So, birds live in the high tree. So some birds also live in the high tree. And also, birds keep their eggs or keep their chick in the nest to keep them safe. All right. Good job, Kan. Now, Kan, we will gonna proceed to the activity letter C. Okay. Think and answer the question, Kan. So, Kan you read the first question for the letter C activity. Can you read it, Can?
Uh, mm, mm,
Can you read the question number 1 on the letter C activity?
mm.
Hello, Can. Can you listen to teacher Jennifer's instruction? Please read number 1 in activity letter C.
Mm,
What is question number 1, Can? Can you please read this one?
is, is nest.
Yes. Can you read the question number 1? What animal? This one, Can. What animal words do you know? Okay. So, Can, what animals do you know? Or what animal words do you know?
Is, uh,
So, for
is,
example,
mm,
animal words, this one. Okay, so Can, what animal words do you know? Aside from bird. Animal words, Can, are dog. Can you name animals, Can?
cat.
Cat, very good. What else?
Mm, um,
Bird, snake. What else, Can? Can you name some animal words that you know?
um,
Cow. What else, Can?
um,
Conhar.
oh,
Chicken. So those are the animal's word. What else, Can? Can you name? Give example to
uh,
teacher Kanhar.
a, is,
Pig. Okay, very good. What else?
Um,
Goat, lion, tiger. So, giraffe, zebra. So there are so many animals in the world. Okay. Yes, all right. So we can't mention them all, but however, these are the one of the animal words that we know. Okay, now how about question number two? Okay, so first, okay, so we have here the dog. Okay, so for example, where do pets live? Okay, so for example, cat. Where do dogs live?
uh,
So dogs live in the,
in the, uh, mm, um, mm, mm, um, the dog live in the, in the,
so where is
uh,
the dogs live? Or for example, you have a pet dog can. Where do you want to live your dog?
um, in the, in the dog live in the, mm,
So dog lives in the dog house or in the house. Yes, so dog lives in the house. How about the cat?
the cat live in the house.
Yeah, cat house. So it could also the owner's house because sometimes some people likes to have a pet cat. So and cat owners love to keep them keep their pet cat in their house. So also there is also a house for the cat. So they will gonna make a house for the cat. So it's either the cat house or the owner's house. Okay, very good. Can. How about Kanahar, the bird? So where is the bird lives? So where is the bird live, Kanhar?
The dog live in the dog house and house. The cat live in the cat house and house. The bird live in the tree
Tree.
and nest.
Very good. Tree or nest.
Nest.
Very good. How about the snake? So where is the snake live?
Đi qua nhá. Ôi cái gì vậy em đang ở cô đang ở đằng sau em ấy. Snake. Anh ơi, dùng tiếng Anh là gì? The
Okay, so Ken,
snake
where is the snake lives?
lives 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 um,
So where do you think the snake lives, Kanhar?
the snake lives
Okay,
the
so
snake is the snake lives lives um, uh
so snakes lives in the forest or in the zoo. Okay, so because some snakes are placed in the reserve. For example, the big snake or okay, have you tried to visit in a zoo, Kan? Yes or no? In a zoo? Have you tried?
yeah
Okay, very good. So have you seen a snake there?
uh is
Yes. Okay, so they are taken care of the zookeeper, and sometimes there is also snake in the forest. So like the big snake. So yeah, snake can also live there because they can it give their foods. So in forest they can find or look for their food or for their prey. So all right, so that's it. So Ken, don't forget that each of the animal has its own house or home to live. um the main purpose of that, or the main reason that animals has their own live or house, is to make them, to keep them safe. So that's it. That's the main reason why animals has a houses or animals to live with. So to keep them safe, to keep them warm and dry. All right. Did you get it, Kan?
yeah.
Very good. So, Kan, we will now answer the big question. So, Kan, where do animals live? So, after watching the video, Ken, and after discussing the activity letter A, B, and C, in your own idea and in your own um, understanding, where do animals live, Kanhar? So animals live in Okay, can you answer this one, Kan? Where do animals live?
Animals live in the forest.
Forest. Very good. So, Kan, there are animals who live in the forest. Very good. Actually, most of the animals live in the forest. So, also in the zoo, in the owner's house. For example, for the owner's house are the ones that animals that are pet. So, like for example, a cat and the dog. So, they live in the owner's house, and also big trees. Like for example, where do bird lives, Kan? In the
In the
birds lives in the
um in the zoo.
trees. Okay. Some also animals live in the Okay. So
In,
can you read where do animals live, Kan?
is in the nest.
What else?
In, and
Animals live in the forest. Okay. Can you mention all the places?
animal live in the forest. Zoo in the house, warehouse.
Owner's house.
The house.
And the
And big trees.
big tree. Okay. All right. So, Kanhai, don't ever forget again that animals should be kept or keep them safe in order to make them warm and dry. Okay. So with that, we should always take care of our pet and the animals because again, they're also humans. All right. So we will gonna wrap up with our lesson because it is already time. So Kan, as I observe, please focus on teacher's class. So I hope next time you will not create movements that can disturb our classes. Okay, Kan?
Yeah.
Okay. So but overall, good job for today. And again, Kan, please study our lesson and please practice reading. Reading your books, reading your notes so that you will gonna familiarize the pronunciations, the letters, and the words. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so Kan, our class is already finished. So thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of the night. And see you next week, Kan. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Kan, and have a good night. Bye, Kanhar. Keep safe.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you, Kanhar.